Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join our group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. The group serves as a platform for getting your queries answered, sharing knowledge, and also getting updated with latest stock market information at the earliest. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought 7,25,000 shares, representing an increase of 0.38% stake during the last quarter. Now what's interesting to mention here is that this company has also had a very strong breakout technically, and this makes it a very interesting stock to track. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Rakesh India Limited, which is available at rupees 291.50 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is RALLIS. Now Rakesh India Limited manufactures and markets agri inputs primarily in India. The company was founded on August 23, 1948 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now looking at the technical chart since 2014, the company has recently broken out and this puts it in a very sweet spot. The company is a borderline stock between a small cap and a mid cap with a market capitalization of 5,668.77 crores. The EPS of 9.63 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 30.27, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 42.30. The price to book ratio of 4.02 is however slightly expensive. The company has a decent debt to equity of 0.0664, whereas the return on equity is a slightly subdued figure at 0.1389. The dividend yield is 0.86%, whereas the promoter holding is just about average at 50.09%. None of it is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Also friends, please go ahead and join us on our free Telegram group, the link for which is provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. We can assure you that joining this group will be beneficial to your net worth. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.